more.
I was introduced to Atomy by a friend at the church parking lot. When she first approached me, I was not at all receptive. She then pulled out the secret weapon, the Atomy toothpaste and toothbrush. After 2 weeks of using this product, I no longer had problem with my sensitive teeth. With the background in chemistry and passion in holistic wellness approach, it doesn't take me long to realize that Atomy has product of absolute quality and absolute price. On my first Atomy Success Academy in Atlanta, I would listen to CEO Han Real Park talk about balanced life and life scenario. His speech inspired me, and I thank you for teaching me the powerful idea of writing down the scenario of my life to help me focus and to be successful in life. Today, I would like to share with you 2 topics in my life scenario wheel. First is health. Lately, with all the stress of work, my health is going down. I have issue with my left knee and leg. I experience a constant pain in them that prevent me from standing on my foot for a long time. I need to change my lifestyle to live a balanced life and to take better care of myself to regain my health. I do endosphere and cupping lymphatic drainage treatment to remove toxin from my body once a week. In addition, I also practice Qigong and take Him regularly to better blood circulation. Second is global volunteering. I'm a chemist, an esthetician certified in skincare. I also specialize in toxicity and detox. I have worked in this line of field for the last 20 years. With my training and experience, after retire, I want to travel around the world to teach people how to improve their health using natural medicines with Atomy products. In addition, I want to volunteer with my service to help everyone with skin, weight, and health issues. And my first destination is Vietnam on July 2nd, 2024. If you are new to Atomy, I will encourage you to write your life scenario and try the Atomy product to see for yourself how wonderful Atomy is. I'm looking forward to work with you to change the world one person at a time. Thank you for listening to my life scenario. Aja, Aja, Aja.